We're out in the garden during the day, of course. Um, we're here to harvest the potatoes. It's time for them to come out of the ground and prepare the garden for August 7th for the second planting season. So that's the plan for today. Let's pick some potatoes. Let's give it a go. Okay. This guy got a lot of seed pods, so we'll work around them. The ground isn't too bad, so let's move all the schmeg to a corner. But there's no potatoes here. This is all. Yeah, that's pretty much everything coming from out of here is all gonna be. This guy came out of nowhere, but we'll still gonna dig him up because we're gotta make some more room for other plants. Yeah, I can grab. These could all go over here actually because there's no potatoes there. Look how well that keeps the moisture in though.
I know, I can feel how damp.
Right? It's pretty good. I'm just gonna dig all around here, because I don't remember fully. Oh, there's some little ones starting. Oof. I'm banging myself on this thing. Look at all these cute little potatoes. Little tiny guys. They got really stunted from the heat, so I'm expecting most of them to be... Oh, I might have found a big one. But I am expecting most of them. Don't speak too soon. Move all this schmag over there. Nice one. Ooh, that's a nice one. And a piece of a fish that we buried in here a long time ago. Now it's all, the bone's completely clean. It's kind of cool. Woo. Get all around, make sure I get everything. Try not to wreck that plant here. There we go.
You never know where they are until it's smack.
I know, right? I think I pretty much got them all in this spot. I think. That one? Oh wow, there you go. It's a nice size. I think the yellows did the best. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yellows did the best.
They seem to have done really well.
Yeah, the rest it's really small. You can see the root, how the little potatoes grow right off of them. So we've been growing like that. It's kind of cool.
Whoa.
Whoa. Probably the biggest one yet.
That's what I was thinking.
Nice. All right, well that's about it. This is our harvest. It's a pretty good amount actually. Be happy about that, I was surprised. So, even though they had a hard year, we still got a good harvest. And it seems like the yellow potatoes, so I planted russets and yellow potatoes, it seems like the yellow ones do the best. I'm not sure if it was just the season, but look at them. They're the largest ones we have, are the yellows. But that's it. And now this bed is ready for more planting this year. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Dirty hands. Bye.